Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about explosive welding. Explosive welding. Now, what is explosive? Explosive means a solid state welding. Means what? The two material after heating, after heating comes in plastic form and then after get bond, that is a solid state welding. Now I will explain by a diagram, that is figure of explosive welding. Okay, now this is a base metal. Now see here, this is explosive material, that is we can say here it is a cladding or plate. Okay, then this is a explosive material. Explosive material is very important in this welding because the all working is carried out in explosive material. It has a theta that can be angled the material. Okay, this is base plate and we can say this is a stand of distal. Means what is happened in this working? Now see here, this explosive material is apply pressure from upside to the workpiece. Now this base metal is used for to support the material in processing. This angle gives the difference between workpiece and base metal that can be carried out during the welding. Now when the working is started, the plasma arc material is forced to the workpiece by high velocity. Okay, and here the plasma jet created. Due to forcing this, here comes a plasma that is in the plastic form. Now this we can say it is a velocity is created. Means what? By applying the material, the velocity is created in between the two material. Now see here one more diagram, that is this is a base metal. Okay, now here there is a workpiece. I will draw a diagram for the same and I will explain once again this process. Here there is a explosive material, explosive material. Okay, now here all there is explosive material. Now, when by forcing their plasma jet is created, and due to the velocity of this the material comes in the plastic form. At that time, when by applying this the here material is come as shown in the this figure. Here the material will act like this and get a this triangle shape is like this zigzag way by applying the pressure. Okay, here the explosive will acts down direction. Okay, and your vapor upward direction. Here the explosive acts as downward direction, and here some vapor is created, it acts as the upward direction. And here the plasma jet creates welding. This is how here the plasma jet creates a welding as shown in the figure. This is how the explosive welding is carried out. Thank you for watching this video.